The Federal Reserve surprised the markets and caused Bitcoin to pump. What does that mean? Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are, whenever you are. Thank you for watching my videos. My name is Da Vinci Jeremy. I'm in the pipe 5x5, staying alive here in Dubai. Oh boy, woke up early today, got my workout, missed it yesterday and missed yesterday's show. I needed to rest and stuff like that, but I'm back in action today. We got some news, interesting news for you. Side note, P. Diddy got arrested? Damn, need to find out more about that. I just heard about that this morning. Anyways, let's get on with the news for today and go on to the trading. And if you're interested in trading, you can do so at bybit.davincej15.com. Link is in the description below. Of course, this requires KYC. And so you're going to need some ID from another country other than the one that you're in, right? Trust me, you want to start here. This is the lowest price ID you can get, right? At rns.davincej15.com. Link is in the description below. All right, well, let's start off with some pumping. PayPay. Hey, for all those people who are patient, who are telling me, yeah, what's PayPay gonna do? Oh my God! Look! You should have been buying down here. Now you're yelling, right? You need to be buying when they're crying and selling when they're yelling. That's how it works. But we got more pumps to go, so don't sell just yet. Oh man, somebody tried to break down Orc and Waffles and failed. Well, the early didn't do anything just yet, but it's coming. It's coming. And look what they did. Look what they did to poor old Waffles. What the hell was that? A 445K volume there. Dude, what do you think you're doing? And boom, buyers came back in and bought Waffles right back up. Blam. Just like that. Oof. Waffles holds strong. Yes. Okay, some news for today that's going on, and let's start off with BlackRock reveals it's quietly preparing for a 35 trillion Federal Reserve dollar crisis with Bitcoin predicting to spark a sudden price boom. Interesting. You know what? I need to talk about something and admit that I'm wrong about something, because I've found out that they do have the Bitcoins, BlackRock, right? And I did find evidence of their coins on the blockchain, and yeah, it seems to be real. So yeah, they are not holding fake Bitcoin. I was a little concerned about that because they said the custodian was Coinbase. Coinbase doesn't provide a breakdown of who has what. So yeah, now they have that available. And so same with a lot of other ETFs. I found out a lot of ETFs have the Bitcoin. So yeah, this means that they're preparing with your Bitcoin, right? Because hey, it's not yours, right? If you give somebody something, right, to hold for you, their only legal obligation is to pay you the dollar amount, right? So just that's a clear rule. Okay. Bitcoin has suddenly surged higher following the Federal Reserve's first post-pandemic interest rate cut that's predicted to send the Bitcoin price skyrocketing. The Bitcoin price has climbed to over 62, well now it's over 64 for Bitcoin, with traders now turning to China's shock and awe earthquake after the Fed surprised traders with a 50 basis points cut. Yeah, I did not expect that. Kicking off what's expected to be the fresh liquidity cycle that could put Bitcoin and crypto market on the cusp of a major move. Yep, there it is. There it is. Money's coming into Bitcoin. We're going to show you all about that. Now, this is interesting. Apple's iOS violates EU law. What's next for AI coins? Okay, well, I don't know about AI coins, but, you know, Apple's total closed society is going to have a long-term effect on innovation. But you know what? I don't think the EU should enforce that. The reason why is because if Apple continues to do what they do, someone's going to innovate around them, right? That's how it works. Because they keep crushing us, and then eventually people go, okay, listen, this is not working, right? You can't do that, right? And then, yeah, they'll be defeated by, someone else building something better, right? You cannot have a monopoly without the government allowing it, period, right? There's the only way to do that. And so all this EU getting angry is probably just show, stuff like that, in my personal opinion. So, okay, Germany closes 47 crypto exchanges over money laundering concerns. Okay, money laundering concerns. Okay, German authorities have taken down 47 crypto exchanges services in a crackdown on illegal money laundering activities. I want you to know, right? The biggest money launderers are banks. All of them. They money launder more of criminal money, actual criminal money, than any little tiny crypto exchange, right? And they don't get shut down. Why? Because they're too big to fail? Yeah, okay. No, because they pay the bills, right? All right, with that said, this is not about money laundering. This is about, well, let me just read here. These exchanges enable transactions without following the KYC or Know Your Customer protocols set of rules requiring users to prove their identity before making financial transactions. There should not be this rule at all. You should be able to make a financial transaction with somebody without institutions knowing who you are, period. But that is all about taxes. If they don't know who you are, what and how much you're doing, they can't get their taxes. And so that's what this is all about. The EU, the German government is trying to block. Whenever you see money laundering, that means taxes. People, they're trying to make it easier so you make sure that they get their tax money, right? And also banks make sure that no one competes with them as well at the same time. So that's another enforcement of what's called a criminal organization, or now I can't remember. I had a word for that. It's a clan or a group of people who are working together, and I can't remember the word right now. Anyways, all right, so let's take a look at the charts. Yes, look at that. Bitcoin went straight up here and continued pumping right there, and that was just blew out the short here, and did not see that coming. Looks like if we get above the 65K level, this could turn Bitcoin, turn this into a pump, major pump, and kick off the beginning of what can be considered the Bitcoin rally, the Bitcoin bull market. So yeah, this looks like it. And same here. Looking at Ethereum, we still have a little ways to go probably before we actually can say for sure. This is, yeah, a little bit more. Yeah, we're gonna have to break the $2,800 level, 2820 actually, and then boom, that will break this downward pattern that we've been seeing, that we've been like, oh snap, that's the target. That will break the target. That would be beautiful. We don't want to see this target actually come through. So, and with this nice Wing here, boom, 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 we can see there is a better target in the upward space. Right here, we can see that this could take us all the way up to take out the $2,820. So yeah, boom, look at that. That's great news for all of us here, because I was expecting something heavy on a downward trend. Looking at Solana's pumping as well. And this means, I'm sure this means that our dominance has fallen off a little bit here. Still targeting the higher upper range still, but just all that could mean is that Bitcoin and Ethereum and the rest of them are just not going to pump as fast as Bitcoin is pumping right now. So, all right, with that said, thank you all for watching. I will see you guys next time. Cheers.